here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Toro GrandStand mower with a 52-inch cutting deck. This mower does come with a 52-inch cutting deck. This cutting deck is made of 7-gauge steel, and it does have the bullnose in the front. And this is a stand-on mower. And it does come with a 22 horsepower Kawasaki engine. And it does have hydrostatic transmission with pump and wheel motor drive. This does have hydrostatic transmission with the pump and wheel motor. Here you have your fuel tank, which is a 10.5 gallon fuel tank. This is the stand-on platform here, which does come with a nice comfort pad as well. Here you have your controls. For your cutting height adjustment, it does vary between 1.5 inches and 5 inches. This does come with cast aluminum spindles, and it does have a rubber chute. Once again, this is the Toro GrandStand mower with a 52-inch cutting deck. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mowers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we also have trailers and handhelds and can make package deals for you.